Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up? Jay Blanked here. Welcome to the November edition of my community overview. We're going to go over the community in the Discord and the things you get access to as a member of the community and as a VIP member of the community. So we'll start over in the Discord. The main feature is our chat. This is where you say hello, say what's up, chat with others. Outside of that, we have the forex profits. This is where you post up your profits in forex. Right below that, we have the VIP bots, and these are profits only from the VIP bots. And then going into some of the VIP sections, we have the VIP chat, which is just like the general chat, but only for VIP members. We have the voice chat. That's where we have our weekly live Saturday trainings. Right into the VIP extras, we have the VIP updates. This is where I post any of the updates involving VIP, which usually are our trading tools, and sometimes like the Discord itself or our website. Next, we have news analysis. This is where I post analysis on the news events like I did for NFP today. It also has our news notifier, which is our AI that gives us analysis on the news event. Dope. Next, we have the alerts channel, and this has our Discord alerts. We have the currency meter, and that tells us a few things. One is the growth of each currency compared to the other currencies. It also tells us the strongest pair of the day and the weakest pair of the day. And it also gives us a chart. Next, we have the GHT notifier, and this is from the GHT indicator, but it notifies us on the 5-minute time frame on about 12 pairs that we have now, and they're just all of the pairs that our students will go and trade. And then lastly, we have the RSI Predator, and this is a machine learning reversal strategy. And, for those who know me, that's not really my favorite thing to do, but it does work well whenever you're looking for pullbacks. Now, like obviously here on NFP, the trend was bearish, so trying to get back in on bullish pullbacks was not a good idea. Okay, but moving on, we have the manual trades. This is where I go through the trading setups that I take, like the one today, and yeah, this is where we'll go and put our trades, things that we are thinking about and things like that. Next, we have the back testing channel, and this is for back testing our bots, giving results, giving feedback on settings. We usually go through here and post a setting or two or three during the week. The next is the schedule, and these are the highlights of the week regarding news analysis. So they're not all of the news events. They are the news events. Excuse me. They are the news events that I feel are going to have the strongest impact. Next, we have suggestions, and these are just suggestions either for our community or for things to add into our trading tools or for things to add in. And next, we have the issues, and this is where you post any issues that you're having, especially regarding our trading tools or our community or anything like that. Next, we have the sauce channels, and there are a ton of them. I'm just going to go through the main ones. The first one is motivation, and that's what I went to post earlier. But this one, I post a motivational message once a day, just about right at 8 a.m. And I try to pick a theme of the week. So for those who have been receiving them, try to figure out what the theme is for the week. This week was moving forward. Next, we have the free signals, and this is from our news notifier, the free version, and the TMA RSI Bandit, which, here we go, TMA RSI Bandit. Next we have the free tools, and these are free trading tools that I've coded myself that you can go and literally download and use them right away. And the next, news API, and these are just alerts, notifications, announcements about the news API. On the rest we won't go through. All right, cool. Let's head over to the website here. And now if you are completely new to the website, you can hit get started, and it would just tell you a little bit about what you can go and view. But we're going to go right into the trading tools. And we now have over 60 trading tools, and most of them are expert advisors and indicators. The ones that people love the most, and this is the one I'm going to make a video on next, is the News Navigator. Let's see, News Rampage. Here we go. News Navigator is the News Navigator. This is our top news expert advisor. Again, I'll make a video about this, but it grid trades on news events based off of the same news analysis that we go over in the community, but it has some grid trading and basket trading and some hedging, and some extra machine learning tools to help it grow really well. And outside of that, other feature trading tool is an indicator, one of my favorite indicators, the GHC, which stands for the Guppy Half Trend. Let me log in here. This is the same indicator that I use to gain 400% and withdrawal within a week. You also get access to courses. So let's go to VIP. No, let's go to forex trading courses. Go. You get access to courses, and these just go through everything that I have learned regarding news analysis. The last course was made earlier this year, the mastery course. I am going to make fresh courses for 2025. Not much has changed since then. We're just in a different economy, so of course things have shifted slightly, but as far as the basics, they're still there, but of course now we have to just apply a slightly different thinking, now that we are in a different period. Outside of that, you also get access to coding courses, and you get access to news resources. Now we have a ton of news resources, like our News GPT, which is specialized in understanding news analysis on news events. Now a lot of people get this confused because they'll just go and type in what is the strength of EUR/USD right now. That's not what it's designed to do. It's designed to understand news event data. So when a news event outcome comes out as this and that, it is able to understand that, and possibly give you an analysis based upon that. Let's go back. We also have a news calendar, which shows you the news events from week to week. We have a news library, which you can click through and learn about almost 200 news events. We went over the News Navigator. We have a news analysis quizzes, including coding quizzes. The news query, which is just a quick way to get analysis on a news event. We have courses, and then we have the news dictionary, which is just a very short list about news facts. And outside of that, you also get access to our news API. This is the really big chunk of the community. All of our news trading tools, and for those who are using the news API, this is the main source of that. So as a VIP member, you actually get unlimited access to that, which includes access in our apps, and the 4 different libraries that it is available in. All right, this is the November overview. Thanks for showing up. Make sure to subscribe. Let's go.